It's important for architects, operations teams, and developers to work in concert to ensure that orchestration tools are used correctly to ensure the scalability of their Docker applications. There are several solutions available to assist developers when scaling to medium and large Docker implementations in the cloud. In this video, we will present an overview of 4 ways to deploy Docker on Amazon Web Services. Elastic Container Services. The Elastic Container Service provides developers with service to securely deploy containers across a series of scalable clusters. If you're familiar with the Elastic Compute Cloud Service in AWS, the move to ECS will be relatively easy. You start by defining tasks in ECS. In the task definition, you define the container images you want to run on ECS and then set a schedule. Use the built-in scheduler in ECS or use a custom scheduler to launch the containers across the ECS cluster. You'll use security groups as the firewalls for ECS, Amazon machine images as templates for the underlying hosts, and you'll be able to deploy into one or more virtual private clouds. EKS and Kubernetes. EKS was launched to assist teams that were familiar and comfortable using Kubernetes as their Docker orchestration system. EKS works similar to ECS, but it enables users to implement the Docker deployments with familiar Kubernetes commands and tools. You can employ existing Kubernetes applications into EKS with little or no modification. EKS also uses EC2 hosts and tools like auto-scaling and load balancing to help scale your Docker deployments. As ECS does, you'll be able to take advantage of security groups, AMIs, and VPCs. AWS Fargate. Both ECS and EKS give you the ability to have a more hands-off approach. The deployment option is called Fargate. Instead of choosing EC2 as the launch mode, you can select Fargate and let AWS handle more of the orchestration and management of the clustering and scheduling of the clusters in either ECS or EKS. You need to give Fargate some inputs on tasks that you want to run, but the ongoing clustering and scheduling is then managed by AWS. Docker on EC2. You can run Docker on EC2 instances. Simply run a series of Docker commands manually, run scripts to automatically deploy, and similarly to the above service options, run the containers from images. For orchestration, you could use Docker Swarm, Kubernetes, Mesos, or other orchestration tools. Please remember to manage everything from the operating system on up on EC2. So check out the Simple Systems Manager to assist with those tasks, i.e. the run command and the patch manager, etc. There you have it, 4 easy ways that you can run Docker applications on AWS. Want to find out more? Make sure to get in touch and explore all of our Docker training. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.